How to use Newegg for business and bulk order. To use Newegg business for business and bulk order, you must transit from a standard consumer account to dedicated business profile. So first thing first, you have to set up your business profile. So what you need is here you want to make sure to open up Newegg account first thing. And there are some requirements as well. You will need to provide your organization's name, address, and a federal tax ID. And you also have to visit the new account registration page to enter the primary contact and company details as well. And if your organization is tax exempted, you must submit a valid tax exemptification or exemplification certificate through the online portal as well. Now, you want to make sure to go ahead and switch your business account. So you could just go ahead and look for a Newegg business account or switch account type. Once you do this, you will be able to switch it to business account and you could start procedure as well. And that's basically how you're supposed to use Newegg for a business and bulk order. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.